our bit, and I wanted to show you the brisket since we didn't get to show you what it looked like and how it came out. Now this has been sitting in the heat box. Whew, look at that juice coming out. It's been sitting in the heat box, resting. Like I said, I let my briskets rest anywhere between 12 to 14 hours. Take a look at this. Now I'm going to put this back in the smoker for about 4 or 5 minutes. As you can see, that bark is kind of wet. But if I put it back in the smoker, that's going to tighten back up, and we'll have a brisket ready to serve. I appreciate y'all watching. Be sure and subscribe. Hit the like button and ring the bell. That way you know about the next video that we've got coming out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.